Oh yeah, this hotel was super nice. This is me rolling and filming again, going the wrong direction. Oh Lord. Boom. This is the way we gotta go. No, I'm trying this new situation.
Is this your new technique?
My new technique is making people dizzy.
One arm at a time. How's that working out?
It's not ended in a ditch yet, so it's a success. Bunch of stuff.
His latest technique is going one arm at a time and going round in circles to try and make people vomit while watching the video.
It's going pretty well, right?
Why don't I go here?
Doing this, Sarah.
You're gonna crush my ankle.
Exactly.
I'm excited.
It was going very well. People always feel they have to intervene. I do not need an intervention.
I think so. Are you gonna go straight down?
That's what I'm planning to do.
Okay.
Panoramic view in sunshine.
That looks like bulls fucking.
Bulls fucking.
Yeah.
Bulls fucking. Dun, dun, dun. The information is accessible, but we don't want any information. And these stones are gonna fuck up. My legs always spasm up. It's right here. Matador in the back. She crack. It's your cracky sound. My cousin is out of crack.
Shut up!
Downhill rolling.
Easy!
Fuck the law, man. Fuck the law. Pretty smooth. Let me show you this view right here. It's pretty sick. With a little 180 action.
I have learned my lesson.
Boom. Pretty sick. Let's go for a closer view. It's called Ronda. Ronda. Fucking stones. One of the other ones of my arch enemies.
Stones on the...
Bad pavement. Bad fucking
Oh,
pavement.
is that the hotel where we just had a tea? Yeah. It looks so small from here.
Oh, it's super
Now
huge.
this one is floating, guys. There's no like construction below this one.
Nice.
This is epic.
Wow.
Holy shit!
Behind me there's an open air theater.
Much warmer last
There the whole, what's it called, the bull park is. And this is the crazy view. Chupan. Some Turkish guy's been here. And yes, it's a frustrated Turkish guy. But he bothered to draw the legs as well. Wherever there's dick out, you can find a couple of pussies. Pussies.
terrible joke.
It's not a joke. And the black cats. This wonderful fountain drippity dropping. We're gonna end today's. We started from the bottom, now we're in the south of Spain, and that's where we remain insane. I'm not gonna use the word drain anymore. I'm gonna talk about being vain. Looking in the mirror all day, it's not gonna make your all day stay nice looking. You gotta have that suavemente. You say something, I'll rhyme to it. Say it and I'll rhyme to it.
Okay, dustbin.
Dustbin. I used to have a boyfriend, his name was Justin, and then I put him in the bin, and then I told him, Justin, don't be a bustin', nothing.
Yeah.
Ba-dum-ts. No, I lost the music. No, I didn't. People driving like crazy out here. Sun is setting. Oh, that shine, baby. And I took over the radio. So we dab it for you.